All right, y'all, what's going on today? My name is Francisco Ruiz, and I'm going to show y'all how to set up a LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a really great tool if you're trying to, extend your professional network. This has really helped me get a good insight into how, business social media works. So let's go ahead and start off strong. Let's dive into the first step. So what you want to do after you're done verifying your account and creating it, you want to go right here to the circle for your profile picture. You're going to go ahead and click on it. And this right here, your profile photo, you want to go ahead and make sure that it's a professional photo of you, nothing that's non-business related. Employers and other people are going to be, viewing your profile to see exactly what type of person you are. And you just want to make sure you have the best, first impression. They always say first impression matters. So your image should definitely reflect professionalism and also friendliness. But you want to go ahead and just go to right here, edit or add photo, and you can go ahead and choose it to the profile picture of your liking. So now we're going to go ahead and go through step 2, which is going to be to either insert or change your header or background profile picture as well. So you're going to go ahead and go right here to the draw button with the pencil. And then this should pop up right here. It's going to let you crop your picture, zoom in, zoom out, straighten it, put the filters, adjust it, delete photo, change photo. And the reason I went ahead and chose this one is because of everything that's going on right now with Palestine. That's something that I strong stand by. But your background photo should definitely be, something of your interest or something that just means something to you. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go into step 3, which is going to be changing your headline or making a headline. So your headline isn't just about listing your job title. It's really about showcasing who you are as a person. This is your chance to explain in a few words of who you are and just what you do. So to edit the headline, you just click on the pencil right here, wait for it to load, and then you scroll down to where it says headline. You could put, the type of career that you're interested in or the career that you're currently trying to pursue at the time. I went ahead and put project management trader at Europe United, driving growth and building client relationships, passionate traveler, and adventure enthusiast. So now we're going to go ahead and go to step 4, guys. This is going to be the recording and displaying your name pronunciation. If your name is commonly mispronounced or it's a unique name, LinkedIn has a really helpful feature to make sure people get it right. You can add a pronunciation guide to your profile. So basically, you want to just go ahead and go right here to the edit button, wait for it to load, and where you go right here, that's where the name pronunciation and your audio recording will be. Um, Unfortunately, it's not available on the desktop version. It's only available on the mobile version. So if you were on your mobile device, you would basically just do the same thing. Go to the edit profile section, go ahead and click the pencil, and it should let you go ahead and start recording for your name. So now we're going to be doing step 5, the summary or about you section. Um, it's going to be this right here. This is a great opportunity for you to share what you're passionate about, what you're looking for in your career, or what skills you bring to the table. So simply to edit your about or your summary, just go ahead and click on the pencil button right here after you scroll down. And this right here should pop up the edit about. I went ahead and just put a little bit about myself. I put, hello, I'm a motivated 25-year-old with a deep passion for business management and leadership. I talked about, my experiences so far at Europe program and how I'm specializing in project management. So yeah, just talk about what motivates you, your experience, your goals, and think of it as, you're basically telling a story to somebody that you're just meeting. So now we're going to go ahead and go through step 6, which is going to be buzzwords. Buzzwords are, overused generic terms that can make your LinkedIn profile blend in rather than stand out. Words like creative or innovative or motivated are great, but they're often so overused that they lose their meaning. So a good way to edit your account and look for buzzwords is to go ahead and hit either Control F or Command F, depending on whether you're using a Windows or a MacBook. I'll show you an example right now. So this box will pop up right here, and you can search for words like creative, and that will pop up. for honor, and just certain things will pop up. But yeah, that's how you do step 6. So now we're going to go ahead and go with step 7, which is going to be growing your network. This is one of the best parts of LinkedIn for expanding your network to grow your connections. You can start by syncing your email contacts to see who's already on LinkedIn. So you basically go right here on Profile Me. You go to Settings and Privacy. Wait for it to load. Taking just a while. Let's see. Then you're going to go ahead and scroll down to where you see Sync Contacts. You're going to click right there. Give it just a second. And yeah, it will literally sync all the contacts with people that you already know in a professional setting that's in the workplace. So now we're going to go ahead and go to step 8, which is list your relevant skills. So you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down all the way to right here, and you're going to click on the pencil button. And here you want to just list all the relevant skills in the current job, or the current career that you're seeking. I put business management. You could add project management, but if you're in digital marketing, you could add digital marketing, and just list the relevant skills that's tailored to you to catch job employers' attention. Yeah. So now we're going to go ahead and start on step 9, which is going to be endorsing colleagues. This is one of my colleagues right here from Europe United. We have endorsed each other, but if you wanted to endorse a person or a colleague, anybody, you just go to their profile, you scroll down to the skills, and you just click endorse. So one way to endorse people is if you endorse them first so they can return, the endorsement back to you, or you could just simply send them a message. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go through step 11, which is going to be requesting a recommendation. You're going to go to your profile, and you're going to go ahead and go to the add profile section. Click on it. You're going to scroll down to recommended. You're going to click add recommendations. For it to load. Then you want to go ahead and just search for colleagues or anybody who has a good networking opportunity. In my opinion, a strong recommendation can make your profile stand out even more. Recommendations from colleagues, professors, or mentors give your profile extra credibility. So there you go. There's the example. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go to step 12, which is going to be showcase your passion for learning. You're going to go ahead and go to the add profile section again. And where you see right here where the recommended button is, you're going to click that, and you're going to see add featured, add licenses, certifications, add project, add courses. You're going to go down to additional. You're going to see all types of things like add volunteer experience, add honors and awards, add test scores. This is a really great way to make your profile stand out. Employers love to see candidates who are passionate about learning and growing, and LinkedIn allows you to do this to showcase your certifications, an education you've completed, and it just demonstrates your commitment and personal and professional development. All right, y'all. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to step 13, which is going to be sharing media and marketing material. So what you're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and click that add profile section again. You're going to want to scroll down to recommended, actually additional, and you're going to see right here, it says add even more personality to your profile. It's kind of similar to the last step, but this one right here is specifically for adding publications. This is a great way to highlight your achievements and show your potential employers what you've accomplished in real world scenarios. So yeah, right here, add publications, add honors and awards. Really great tool to use. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and move on with step 15, which is going to be, or actually step 14, which is going to be sharing relevant content from your LinkedIn feed. To stay active in LinkedIn, sharing relevant content is crucial. It's an excellent way to keep your profile visible and showcase your interests to potential employers and, colleagues. So you want to go ahead and just scroll through your networking and, any post that looks relevant. This one's a good example. Be selective with your time or capacity, everything you want to do. You want to go ahead and just click the repost button, or you could simply just share it and add your own commentary. And doing this will help grow your network and help attract more profile views. Okay, now we are finally on step 15, which is going to be adding comments to LinkedIn posts. If you have any colleagues on here or just, anybody like a mentor that you're following and you want to just connect with people, you could just scroll down to a post that you're liking. Um, See this one, for example, go ahead and click the comment button, and you could go ahead and just type a comment right there in this box. This is just a good way to like engage with people and just, build that network up. Okay, y'all, now we're on step 16, which is going to be following relevant influencers in your industry. You could do this, you can reach your target audience, increase brand awareness, and produce leads and sales by following key influences, in your sector, your type of career you want to go into. Their following has grown to trust them over time. And, you just want to go ahead and do this just to engage with people. So you want to go to the search bar, and one for me was Eric D. Thomas. He's a great motivational speaker. Let's go ahead and click on his profile. Well, my computer is lagging, but as you see, it says Eric Thomas. Um, yeah, and it has a little bit of his information, 122,000 followers. And, he's just a good motivational speaker. He's somebody that I think is a great mentor and a relevant person. So now we're going to go ahead and go through step 17, which is going to be to turn on creator mode. Um, so yeah, LinkedIn actually retired the ability to turn on and off creator mode earlier this year in February 2024. Nearly all the features are now available to everyone by default. But if they did still have the steps would actually be going to your LinkedIn profile, clicking the meet icon, scrolling down to resources and click creator mode. Next, click next to preview the changes, and then you can add up to 5 hashtags that represent the topics that you post, most about. Click done, and then follow the prompts to finish setting up creator mode. Yeah. All right, now, so we're gonna go ahead and go through step 18, which is gonna be spotlighting the services you offer. You're gonna go ahead and go back to your profile, go to add profile section, go ahead and click right there on add services, and then shortly a box should pop up. I went ahead and put strategic planning, project management, diversity, inclusion, team building. Personally, these are my experiences that I've gained with just working at this company that I work for named Jet Black, and just a lot of the things and skills that I earned at Europe United. This is a great way to just showcase the skills that you're learning. If you have any type of potential employers wanting to contact you, it even has a option right here of pricing as your work location, as if you're available to work remotely. You can change the thing to contact for pricing, and you could also add pictures right here too. So yeah, really great tool. Okay, y'all. So now we're on step 19, which is going to be checking out collaborative articles and sharing your contribution if invited. My computer is a bit slow, but I went ahead and went to the search bar, searched up, things about project management, business administration. This article states here is how you can ensure project deliverables meet quality standards and client expectations. Um, to contribute to a collaborative article on LinkedIn, start by finding AI generated collaborative articles in your feed. Once you find the article that you're interested in, you can just go ahead and click on it, kind of like how I did. Right here is the button for the contributions that have been made to this post. The only way that you're actually able to do this is by engaging with the articles, by liking and reacting to them, and then you could go ahead and add your contribution to this. Okay, so now we are on the final step of step 20, which is going to be the LinkedIn Pages or Sales Navigator. Um, what you want to go ahead and do is just go to the LinkedIn Sales Navigator. There's a link right here. You just want to go ahead and look that up. And LinkedIn Pages Sales Navigator is a good way to grow your LinkedIn business. It's all about using the LinkedIn tools to boost your business, actually. This tool right here can help you show off your brand and connect with followers. While the Sales Navigator is great for finding and reaching out potential clients, this actually is a service that you have to pay for, but it really is worth it. I went ahead and requested a free demo. I filled out this information right here, but you can see a little bit of information right here. It says tap into a 1 billion user network. Sales Navigator helps sales professionals discover the right prospects and build trusted relationships. And it just has all these different benefits right here. But yeah, really great tool. If you want to go ahead and try it out for free before you pay for it, go ahead and request a free demo. So yeah, that's all the steps for the LinkedIn final project. This project was really something that was interesting to me, being a Europe United student. LinkedIn has been an essential tool for me because it allows me to build my professional network. Even before moving on to my internship phase of the program, it's helped me connect with industry professionals, stay informed about trends, and learn from people in my field, by showcasing my skills, experiences, and passion for learning. I've been able to stand out to potential employers and grow my network, explore career opportunities. LinkedIn has also gave me the chance to highlight, projects that I worked on while getting, valuable endorsements from colleagues and professors and peers. Overall, LinkedIn is not just a social platform. It's a gateway to professional growth, helping me develop connections and open doors to my future career. It's really a great resource. Before this, I didn't really know much about LinkedIn, but ever since I've opened my profile and just walked through all the steps and built it, it's a really great tool for me once again, and I enjoy using it. And so thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.